Ducati Multistrada V4 best motorcycles. With major shows and public launches cancelled last year due to the pandemic, motorcycle manufacturers had even more time in 2022 to design, improve and produce the best new bikes. Freedom and adventure will be greater than ever. What better way to celebrate the thrill of life than with a new bike? Of course, there are a lot of things to consider before investing in one of the brand new top bikes for 2022. That's why we've created this list to help you decide which motorcycle is best for you in 2022. But first, let's dive into the reasons why 2022 is the perfect year to buy one of these 10 best motorcycles. More energy, the need for speed, and therefore smooth and efficient acceleration, is a frequent reason to invest in a more powerful new motorcycle. The latest and greatest bikes of 2022 feature solid horsepower, impressive torque specs, and bigger engines for top speeds no matter what type of road you're riding on. Improved design. Let's be honest, style is an important factor in choosing the best motorcycle. Whether you prefer a rugged, torquey adventure bike or are more of a sport bike rider, and whether you've been on the track for a while or just starting out, 2022 has some sleek new designs in store for you. New technology. In addition to increased top speeds and engine displacement, the best motorcycles in 2022 also feature cutting-edge electronics, rider assistance systems, and advanced safety features that cannot be overstated when considering the sheer brute power of today's coolest two-wheelers. Higher comfort. The improved technological features of the new 2022 motorcycles not only improve your safety while riding and racing, but are also designed for greater comfort and convenience. With radars, blind spot monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity and more, the latest features are guaranteed to give you the most relaxed and comfortable driving experience. More saving. Over the past decade, riders and non-riders alike have become increasingly environmentally conscious, and manufacturers are increasing demand. With improved engines, fuel efficiency is at an all-time high, while emissions are at new lows, and electric motorcycles are on the rise and coming. In the long run, buying one of the top 10 motorcycles in 2022 can be a relief for the environment and your wallet. What are the best motorcycles? Now that you have an overview of the upgrades, types and criteria for the best motorcycle of the year, it's time to choose your new bike. Without further ado, let us introduce you to the best of the best motorcycles. Ducati Multistrada V4 style, dual sport bike engine type, V4 Granturismo 4-cylinder, DOHC, 4 VPC displacement, 1158 cc bore X-stroke, 83 by 53.5 mm max horsepower, 169.9 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute max torque, 92 pound-feet at 8,750 revolutions per minute weight, 529 pounds, 240 kilograms MSRP, $19,995. With the Multistrada V4, Ducati have undoubtedly rolled out its best and most versatile bike to date. The powerful V4 Granturismo engine with a whopping 1,158 cc of displacement is taking a big step towards increased performance. Another innovation of this model is the radar-guided cruise control technology available as an added option, making the Multistrada V4 the first ever motorcycle with this feature. Definitely a great candidate for Best Motorcycle 2022. Conclusion. 2022 is an exciting year for new motorcycles, from innovative designs and more performance than ever for sports bikes, nostalgia inspired by Paris-Dakar adventure bikes, and Harley-Davidson's bold new step into the ADV world with the brand new, aggressive machine. This may be the best year to buy a new motorcycle. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, pure performance or off-road capability, there's something for everyone, and if you're ready to go green, there's a range of e-bikes too. Whatever new motorcycle you decide on, Monomoto wishes you many happy kilometers.